Get it.
Uncle, welcome. Uncle Mikeli.
What happened to Mikeli? What happened to
Mikeli did what? Go where?
Which one again?
Jay, don't see this one. Jay, don't see this one. Go where?
Oh God, the worst in it. You know chicken for Christmas. When did come kill Mikeli for this Christmas? Uncle, why? When did you kill his empire property? You know the way that you know the just last week. Uncle, I don't want to go. My just enter back and I don't dey cry this morning. I don't want to cry.
People dey wait for me.
I don't see that day.
Now you never call me since. Che, whether na people dey hold me money o.
Because
They say you don't die now. Die with him. Die with him.
because
Go now.
because
Look at them, they want to come and chop our Christmas right now.
No.
I'm gonna let them go and scare them away.
You scare them how? Why do you scare them? How do you scare them?
You mean they? I told them they don't die.
Me? Really, why now?
Let them go now. They chop our Christmas every December.
Giddy, people wey dey owe me money.
Eh?
Giddy money no dey. People wey dey owe me. Guess what? I go take chop rice now. Giddy, oh.
I am pursue them.
Okay, thank you very much for watching that Funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday. See you on Friday too. Please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. But wait, it's very, very important. Don't miss this Gospel Comedy Extra on Sunday, 10th of December, hosted by MC Mikeli. Me, I'll be there. So I want you to come. Just come, see the program and wrapping it now for you.